Imagine a serene African lake suddenly unleashing a silent, invisible wave of death. Thousands drop lifeless to the ground without a sound. What sinister force slumbered beneath the surface, waiting to strike? In the heart of Cameroon lies Lake Nyos, a body of water that seems as serene as it is deadly. Nestled within a crater in the northwest region, this lake forms part of the volcanic chain known as the Cameroon Volcanic Line. August 21, 1986, marked the date that would forever change the lives of the villagers nearby. Underneath its placid surface, a deadly secret was brewing. The lake's waters hid a unique geological feature, an accumulation of carbon dioxide, trapped in immense quantities. Little did the villagers of Nyos, Cam, and Cha understand the science beneath their feet. All they knew was the tranquility of their daily lives, the cycle of farming, and the laughter of children echoing through the valley. That night, a thunderstorm rolled over the lake. Lightning flickered across the sky, and the rain fell heavily. Yet, the villagers were accustomed to such storms, nature's frequent visitor in this region. They went to bed with nothing more than the sound of raindrops as a lullaby. But, as the villagers slept, the lake's placid surface stirred violently, releasing a silent cloud of death. This wasn't a typical storm. It was the harbinger of an unseen catastrophe, one that would leave over 1,700 people and countless livestock dead by dawn. At sunrise, survivors awoke to an eerie silence. The bustling morning routines were replaced by the unsettling sight of lifeless bodies strewn across the ground. Those who lived were bewildered, stricken with grief, and terrified by an enemy they couldn't see or comprehend. Scientists were baffled. Initial theories ranged from volcanic eruptions to toxic gas emissions. The mystery deepened when researchers discovered the culprit, a limnic eruption. This rare natural disaster had released a massive cloud of carbon dioxide from the lake's depths, suffocating everything in its path. But how did this happen? The buildup of CO2 had been occurring for years, trapped beneath the lake's heavy waters due to the unique geological conditions and pressure. This accumulation was a ticking time bomb, needing just a trigger to unleash its deadly force. The trigger? Possibly the landslide or heavy rains that had disrupted the lake's stability. Once disturbed, the CO2 rose rapidly to the surface, expanding and displacing the oxygen-rich air. It was this invisible asphyxiant that claimed so many lives. In the wake of the disaster, international aid and scientists rushed to prevent future tragedies. Solutions like degassing the lake with controlled pipes were implemented, creating a safer environment for those who still called this area home. Yet, the ghosts of Nyos linger. Survivors carry the weight of their loss and the memory of a day that turned their world upside down. It serves as a haunting reminder of nature's unpredictable fury. But this isn't just a story of tragedy. It's a tale of resilience and human ingenuity. The community rebuilds, stronger and more aware of the forces of nature. Scientists learn and adapt, ensuring such a disaster may never strike again. But what if it happens elsewhere? Across the globe, other lakes share similar characteristics. The silent threat of a limnic eruption isn't confined to Africa alone. The full scope of Lake Nyos' whispering death is staggering. It wasn't just lives lost, but the profound impact on a community's psyche. The fear of invisible death remains, and the resolve to combat it has defined a generation. Consider the global implications. As researchers continue their work, the world watches, understanding that the danger of limnic eruptions could be lurking beneath any similar lake. Prevention and preparedness become paramount. In Cameroon, life goes on against the backdrop of this tragedy. Children grow up with stories of the lake's deadly history, and the lessons learned shape a new generation of vigilance and respect for nature's power. What happened at Lake Nyos was a warning. A reminder that beneath the calm waters, danger can always be lurking. As the world continues to uncover the mysteries of our planet, one question remains: what other secrets lie beneath? As we leave the haunting shores of Lake Nyos, remember, these tales of natural disasters are not just stories, they are urgent calls to action. For every lake that harbors such potential, There are communities that depend on early warning systems and scientific vigilance. Join us next time as we delve into the eerie saga of the Dyatlov Pass incident, where 9 hikers met an inexplicable fate. What secrets does this icy Russian wilderness hold? Until then, stay curious, stay vigilant, and keep the lights on.